Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of mysteries that have baffled humanity for ages, but thanks to science, we now have some answers. Could there be a place where ships vanish without a trace? A secret code hidden within an ancient manuscript? Join me, your guide to the cosmos, as we venture into the heart of 5 such enigmas, unraveling their secrets through the power of scientific inquiry. From the depths of the Bermuda Triangle to the Siberian wilderness, we'll explore the evidence, analyze the data, and uncover the truth behind these captivating mysteries. Fasten your seatbelts, fellow explorers, and prepare to embark on a journey that will illuminate the unknown and demonstrate the remarkable capacity of the human mind to comprehend even the most perplexing puzzles of our universe. Let the adventure begin. The Bermuda Triangle. This region in the North Atlantic Ocean, often depicted as a watery graveyard for ships and airplanes, has long held a grip on our collective imagination. Tales of sudden disappearances, malfunctioning compasses, and unexplained electromagnetic disturbances have fueled countless conspiracy theories, from underwater methane explosions to extraterrestrial intervention. But is there any truth to these claims, or can science offer a more rational explanation for the events within this infamous triangle? As it turns out, the answer lies in a combination of natural phenomena, statistical probabilities, and a healthy dose of human error. The Bermuda Triangle is situated within an area of the Atlantic known for its unpredictable weather patterns. Sudden, violent storms can arise with little warning, posing significant threats to even the most seasoned sailors and aviators. The Gulf Stream, a powerful current that flows through the region, can also create rogue waves, massive walls of water capable of capsizing large vessels. The sheer volume of traffic passing through the Bermuda Triangle, from commercial ships to private planes, increases the likelihood of accidents occurring. Statistically speaking, more incidents are bound to happen in a heavily trafficked area than in a remote part of the ocean. Many of the reported disappearances within the Bermuda Triangle can be attributed to human error, mechanical failures, or inadequate planning. Navigational mistakes, engine troubles, and even running out of fuel have all contributed to incidents that were later shrouded in mystery. While the Bermuda Triangle may not be the supernatural vortex of legend, it serves as a reminder of the power of nature and the importance of respecting its unpredictable forces. Science, once again, helps to illuminate the darkness, replacing fear and speculation with knowledge and understanding. Rising from the Salisbury Plain in England, Stonehenge stands as a testament to the ingenuity and astronomical prowess of our ancient ancestors. This enigmatic circle of towering stones has captivated observers for millennia, inspiring countless theories about its purpose, from a prehistoric temple to an alien landing site. Recent archaeological discoveries, combined with advancements in dating techniques and analysis, have begun to shed light on the mysteries of Stonehenge, revealing a complex story of ritual, astronomy, and human endeavor. Construction of Stonehenge began around 3000 BC with the digging of a massive circular ditch and bank known as a henge. Over the following centuries, the site underwent several phases of construction and modification, with different groups of people contributing to its evolution. The iconic sarsen stones, some weighing up to 50 tons, were transported from over 20 miles away, a feat of engineering that continues to astound us today. These massive stones were carefully arranged in a circle, with lintels placed atop them, forming the structure we recognize today. Evidence suggests that Stonehenge served as an astronomical observatory, its stones aligned with the solstices and equinoxes. The precise positioning of the stones allowed our ancestors to track the movements of the sun and moon, marking significant dates in their agricultural calendar. Moreover, Stonehenge likely held deep spiritual significance, serving as a gathering place for ceremonies and rituals. The site's alignment with celestial events suggests a connection between the heavens and the earthly realm, reflecting the beliefs and practices of Neolithic people. While many questions about Stonehenge remain unanswered, the ongoing work of archaeologists, anthropologists, and other scientists continues to unveil its secrets. Imagine witnessing a glowing orb of light crackling with energy, dancing through the air before your very eyes. This isn't science fiction, it's the perplexing phenomenon known as ball lightning. For centuries, this elusive phenomenon has sparked both fear and fascination, leaving scientists to grapple with its true nature. Unlike a typical lightning bolt, which streaks across the sky in an instant, ball lightning can persist for seconds, even minutes, hovering in the air, rolling along the ground, or even passing through solid objects. Reports describe it as a sphere of light, ranging in size from a golf ball to a beach ball, often accompanied by a hissing sound and a pungent odor. While relatively rare, ball lightning has been observed in various parts of the world, typically during thunderstorms. Eyewitness accounts, though often subjective and unreliable, provide tantalizing clues about its behavior and properties. Several scientific theories attempt to explain ball lightning, each with its own strengths and weaknesses. One prominent theory suggests that ball lightning is a form of plasma, a superheated state of matter in which electrons are stripped from atoms. According to this theory, a lightning strike could ionize the air, creating a ball of plasma that persists for a short period. Another theory proposes that ball lightning is caused by the oxidation of silicon nanoparticles released when lightning strikes the ground. These nanoparticles could react with oxygen in the air, producing a glowing sphere of light. Despite these theories, a definitive explanation for ball lightning remains elusive. Its unpredictable nature, combined with the difficulty of studying such a transient phenomenon, makes it a challenging subject for scientific investigation. However, with advancements in high-speed cameras, spectroscopy, and other technologies, scientists are gradually unraveling the mysteries of ball lightning. Imagine stumbling upon a book, its pages filled with an intricate script, accompanied by bizarre illustrations of unknown plants and celestial charts. You try to decipher the text, but the language eludes you, the symbols seemingly random and indecipherable. This is the enigmatic allure of the Voynich manuscript, a centuries-old document that has baffled cryptographers, linguists, and historians alike. Named after Wilfrid Voynich, the Polish book dealer who acquired it in 1912, the manuscript's origins remain shrouded in mystery. Carbon dating suggests that the parchment dates back to the early 15th century, but its author, language, and purpose remain unknown. The manuscript is written in an unknown script, often referred to as Voynichese, which bears no resemblance to any known language. The text flows from left to right, lacks punctuation, and exhibits unusual statistical properties not found in natural languages. Adding to the intrigue are the manuscript's illustrations, which depict a strange and wonderful world. Botanical drawings showcase plants that do not correspond to any known species, while astronomical diagrams hint at advanced knowledge of the cosmos. Other illustrations depict nude female figures engaged in activities that remain open to interpretation. Over the centuries, countless attempts have been made to decipher the Voynich manuscript, but it has stubbornly resisted all efforts. Some have proposed that it is a hoax, a cleverly crafted forgery designed to mislead. Others believe it to be a genuine document, perhaps a coded message, a lost language, or even a work of extraterrestrial origin. Recent years have seen renewed interest in the Voynich manuscript, with advancements in computational linguistics and artificial intelligence offering new avenues for analysis. Researchers are applying machine learning algorithms to analyze the statistical properties of the text, searching for patterns and regularities that might reveal its secrets. While the Voynich manuscript remains an enigma, the ongoing efforts to decode it continue to captivate our imaginations. In the heart of Siberia, amidst the vast expanse of the taiga forest, lies the site of one of the most powerful explosions in recorded history, the Tunguska event. On the morning of June 30th, 1908, a blinding flash of light illuminated the sky, followed by a deafening roar that shook the ground for hundreds of miles. The explosion, thousands of times more powerful than the atomic bomb on Hiroshima, flattened over 80 million trees, spanning over 830 square miles. Seismic waves were recorded globally, and the night sky glowed unusually bright for days. Despite its magnitude, the remote location delayed a proper investigation for nearly 2 decades. When scientists reached the epicenter in the 1920s, they found devastation but no impact crater, leaving them baffled. The absence of a crater and unusual atmospheric effects fueled speculation about the cause. Theories ranged from a meteor airburst to a cometary impact. The most accepted explanation is an airburst of a large meteoroid or comet fragment. As it entered the atmosphere, it heated up rapidly, causing it to explode in the air. This explains the lack of an impact crater, as the object vaporized before impact. The intense heat created a shockwave that flattened the forest visible for hundreds of miles. The Tunguska event highlights the destructive power of cosmic impacts and the importance of scientific inquiry. From the depths of our oceans to the vast expanse of space, the universe is teeming with mysteries waiting to be unraveled. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fascinating content. Remember, the pursuit of knowledge is a journey without end, and there's always something new to discover in our ever-surprising cosmos. See you next time.